Morning, children. How are you all? I hope that all are well at home. Okay, today we are going to discuss about a new topic: transport and communication. Transport and communication. In that transport and communication, we already studied about transport. Transport we have completed in our previous classes. Okay, today we are going to discuss about communication. About communication. Okay, we know that what is communication? Communication that we have studied in the lower classes, third class. Communication means receiving or sending the messages. What is communication? Communication means receiving or sending the messages. We know that when we make a phone call or when we write a letter, we are doing the communication. Okay, we are sending one side we are sending, or on the other side we are receiving the messages. That is called a communication. Sometimes we are sending, or sometimes we are receiving a letter or phone call. That is known as communication, sending or receiving messages. Today we are going to discuss in detail about what are the different means of communication. Communication we understood. Communication means sending or receiving messages. There are different ways to communicate with the other people. Okay, we know that our primitive man, how did they communicate? They communicated with a different sound. They produced a different sound, and they have shown different symbols to communicate. Why? Because there were no languages, there were no writings. So they made different sounds and shown different symbols to communicate with each other. But when the writing started, when people started to write, they have written something and sent with the help of pigeon, and men were sat on the horseback and sent the messages from one place to another. Okay, but now we have different means of fast communication in our world. Okay, about that we are going to discuss. Among the means of communication, most important one, that is post office. Post office. Have you ever gone to a post office? Okay, for many purpose we are going to the post office. And post office in India is known as India's post. And we know what are the services we are getting from the post office. We are getting island card, stamp, then envelope, and many other services we are getting from the post office. And we can send the letters, we can send the greeting card, and we can send the parcels also through post office. And suppose think that you wanted to send a letter or to make it available to a special destination within a few time, then we are using speed post. Or sending the parcel, we have a speed post facility in our post offices. Okay, these are the services we are getting from a post office. We can send the letters, we are getting island card, then stamped envelope, then we can send a speed post, and we can send money order also from the post office. Through the post office, we can send the, we can transfer the money. That process known as money order. Okay, these are the facilities we are getting from a post office. Now see, next means of communication, telephone. We know that we can talk to any person in different part of our world through telephone. Earlier, the landline phones were used, but that is not common now. After landline phone, our mobile phone came. But now it is a time of a smartphone. You know that we are, or you are also the beneficiaries of a smartphone. Many functions can be work through the smartphone. No need to say much more about the uses of a smartphone. Okay, we can access internet and we can search any information through our smartphone. Okay, the next one, fax. Third means of communication, fax. Fax is a machine especially used for sending the written documents. To send the written documents, we use fax. And this fax machine is connected to a telephone line. Okay, that will deliver the written document in the correct destination. Okay, the next means of communication, internet. You know that we everybody are using a smartphone for access the internet. We can search any information through internet. Okay, what are the informations we require? We can just type and search, or we can talk and search with the help of different search engines. So we can send messages, we can communicate with the people with the different apps through this internet. So every common people now using internet for our daily life. Then radio. You know that radio is used by the common people. Majority of Indian people, just after independence, it was the main means of communication. There were many radio broadcasting units were in our country, and there are the number of FM stations. Private broadcasting centers are available, or they are sending different programs, news and entertainment with the help of or through radios. But now, after the coming of the next means of communication, that is television. After the coming of television, the popularity of radio came to an end. But now the rare people, very less people only are using the radio. But the main advantages of radio is that an illiterate people can also understand the programs of. Who is an illiterate? Those who do not know how to read and write. They can easily understand, they can hear the program through radio. Okay, education programs are there, entertainment programs are there, news and different agricultural informations are also broadcasted through radio. Okay, next one, television. The main advantage of television is that we can watch, we can see different programs in different channels. There are different channels which provide Hindi, English and regional languages programs. We can watch the news and what is happening around us, around the world. That is the main advantages of A television. At home we can watch different program. The main aim of television is to entertain the people, okay, and give information to the public. Okay, the next one, cinema. We all used to watch the film, and films gives us a lot of informations. Films give some educational information. Film gives us information about our history and about our ancient culture. Okay, and another aim of film is to entertain the people, to provide entertainment, and in that way also film is very helpful for man. And the next one, newspapers and magazine. You know that daily we read newspaper, and which give a lot of information about the world, about our country, and about our locality, yeah, about our location, about our locality. Local newses are getting from these newspaper, and different magazines are there, weeklies, monthly magazines are there, which give more informations. So these are the different means of communication available in our country. We all are the beneficiaries of these different means of communication, either directly or indirectly. Okay, once again we can see what are the means of communication. Means of communications: first, post office, telephone, fax, internet, radio, television, cinema, newspaper, and magazines. Thank you.